All right, guys, today we finalized this beautiful shower, 2-foot by 4-foot tiles on the wall. We're gonna finalize the tile for the niche, finalize the tile for the curb. We're going to install our Schluter Shelf E as well as grout at the end of the day and collect payment. Let's run those clips. Here we go. All right, guys, we're installing this awesome little powder-coated shelf to put your foot on so that you can shave your leg. We're gonna do something that's very simple. Cut into the tile, install the shelf, and then run silicone on the top and the bottom. Guys, today is grout day. Not a whole lot to grout in this shower. Obviously, large format tile is an easy grout day. Bit of a pain in the butt for the window here. We did not tile the sill, the top and left side and right side of the window. Per our client's request, she's going to hang some blinds in there. We're using warm gray for the walls. Warm gray matches this trim exactly. And then we're gonna use Chateau for the shower pan. So let's grout. All right, everything is complete. Let's show you the final product with this shower remodel. Here we go.